Hi. I'm here to talk to you about
affiliate programs. Some facts. Know the facts about affiliate program. Make money online. Undoubtedly, affiliate programs are the best attraction on internet, particularly for the people who are new to the affiliate business. Thousands of people feel affiliate programs are an easy way to earn money with little or no effort. But actually, some of them don't know what the affiliate programs are. Some of them don't know what to make that affiliate programs work, and some of them try the affiliate programs and fail. So the funny thing is that, most of them never analyze why they failed. People generally join thousands of affiliate programs, put banners and links everywhere they can, then sit back and start daydreaming about that $100 to $300 a day they'll make. Only a few % actually get success in earning money with affiliate programs. So, first of all, let's examine the facts. Joining affiliate programs is very easy, as most of them are free. You just have to register with them. But it is too hard to be a successful affiliate. Don't believe that money comes easy. You have to know how the affiliate programs work. You have to work hard. You must have proper dedication, determination and devotion to achieve your goals. To earn a good living from an affiliate income can take several months. Also, there are chances to succeed or fail, just like any business. I don't mean to discourage you. I am just telling you the facts. Some tips on how to be a successful affiliate. Before you start, gain sufficient knowledge about affiliate programs. Go to good forums and read. Learn from the experiences of other members in the forums. Members in forums are very helpful. If you have any doubt, ask for clarification from other experienced members. Keep learning. Get as much knowledge as you can. Do research and gather tips and tricks to help yourself to start. Find an affiliate program you feel is suitable to you and your website content. Get the right tools, training, and experience to be successful in affiliate marketing. Be persistent. Always test. Don't give up if you don't make a sale right away. Be confident. Eventually you will get your first sale, which will be the greatest, and the most motivational. Good luck.
Hope you found it useful. For more information, please click the link in description.